We are glad to be here in Soroti City to launch the start of the construction for Soroti Joint Hospital. So may this hospital be constructed to provide improved and specialized medical services to our people. I say this all for good and my country.
Etegear na Adukio na Adekis na Ebuni anyarari Soroti Joint Hospital nesia poni itolosoi aparani na lolo aidunyi chut kedai morulo PI Dr. Joseph Epodoi Kafred Kiria lu epele unitosa Adekisina kesia balasebe ejasi kesia itanyanyar Soroti Joint Clinic tetere pedorai jana kinitunga kotenan.
I'm saying maybe 2-3 billion because there are fluctuations of prices and all that, and there may be change of a few things here and there. But this is not going to be done in one phase. It will be a phased project and it will take some time. The activities are outpatient clinical care, diagnostic services in the lab, and imaging, that is X-ray, ultrasound scan, CT scan, and then surgical services, and then public health. So those are the major activities. We shall do curative, promotive, and preventive services in line with the dreams of the country.
Aijeng lo general noi Dr. Epodoi ngesia balebe Adekis na aitoloto Aijeng otoni na Ingalurada.
Adekis na Ebuni aimuke Adekis ne polo kokere. Roni losa somane ilose agiona gorne makrebe organ transplant. Buna somane. Arikoto are era sikone emuna Ingalur koto julakin bunsa somane. Keda chekero no polo koda. Keda ino aketa da achumanu pelangir bunsa ayaunune. Ara ekia dalo mame Uganda bunsa ayaunune. Koto so city lo Soroti merai ay worote be city o mame ibore. Koto so kana ay topole city lo. City lo anwe city lo apolo. Ekotagio na so mboro ni tegel kina. Ngine twani kere. Igeuso akirono angaleo. Itungano ICC ekotaloso direction one. Itungano adukoda kotaloso direction one.
Apollo Kiton e kampuni lo aduko loka Techno Craft Limited ko bugalo Soroti Godfrey Paul Angeret ngesia balebe epote kesa iduka dekisina adawni kariuni.
Bere a bill of quantity tolamuti so dolti ne peta billions iwongono kila kota kanyuni. And Raimun estimates it might go up or down. It will be in phases a jaunu apakina chama inobere concrete setting so bodo ke dikapunda mamete kere kariuni no esenga kina project es very gwa kitapa play
Obe apupe ya joko no anu kwa nganyu no be Etegear Adukio na Adekis ne perre ngara kini kwa ne community lo Soroti ai jati okizongunu no jade kakale pudasi ya kirona Aijeng
Soroti Joint Clinic nesi kwa na dawi kara kaisare ijana kinitunga narai egeunitosi luke cha Dr. Podoyo okari lukumini yare kedi uni ido Ebuni kwa narana diopete boni kotomo Uganda nada itolo sere Aijenge iborolo toma kwa penati Ingalur. Kanuka TV East Alfred Atu au Kobuga Soroti.